Have you ever felt trapped in silence?
You want to speak, but your mind goes blank.
You are afraid of saying the wrong thing.
But small talk isn't just noise. It is a bridge.
It turns strangers into friends.
Today, we stop the awkwardness.
Master the art of conversation.
Welcome to episode 1. Let's start talking.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new journey with the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. We are so excited to be here with you for episode 1.
Today, we are fixing a problem that we all face. Michael, have you ever hidden in a bathroom just to avoid talking to someone?
Honestly, yes, I have. We all have. Social anxiety is real. But today, we are going to change that.
Exactly. We are talking about small talk. It sounds simple, but it is the key to confidence. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere.
That's right. We will cover 3 things today. First, why small talk is actually a superpower. Second, the safe topics that never fail. And third, how to keep the conversation flowing naturally.
This is going to be fun and very practical. So if you are ready to build your confidence, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together. Part 1. Small talk is a bridge.
So, Anna, let's start with a big question. Why do we need small talk? Why can't we just be quiet?
Well, imagine you're at a door, but it is locked. Small talk is the key.
I like that analogy. It opens the door to a deeper connection. If you start with a big, serious question, it feels too heavy.
Exactly. You cannot walk up to a stranger and say, "What is your deepest fear?" That is too scary.
Please don't do that. You need to build a bridge first. Small talk is that bridge. It tells the other person, I am friendly. I am safe. You can talk to me.
And here's a secret for our listeners. Don't worry about being perfect.
Yes, this is our reassurance loop for today. It's okay to make mistakes. Even native speakers say silly things sometimes. The goal is connection, not perfection.
So think of small talk as a warm-up exercise, like stretching before you run. It prepares you for the real conversation. Part 2. The safe topics. The weather and food.
Okay, so we know why we do it, but what do we say? Anna, what is the absolute safest topic in the world?
It has to be the weather.
It's a cliche, but it works. Why? Because we're both experiencing it. It's something we share right now.
Exactly. You can say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or, "Can you believe this rain?"
And boom, you have a conversation. Another great safe topic is the immediate situation. For example, if you're in a coffee shop.
Yes, you can say, "That coffee smells delicious." Or, "The line is so long today."
These are called icebreakers. They break the ice of silence. And food is another winner. Everyone loves food.
True. Asking, "Do you know a good place for lunch around here?" is a perfect way to start talking to a colleague.
So remember the rule. Keep it simple, keep it positive. Weather, food, and the situation around you.
Part 3. Vocabulary Deep Dive.
Now, let's look at the tools you need. Here is our vocabulary deep dive.
Our first word is awkward. Definition: feeling uncomfortable or embarrassed. Example: silence in an elevator can feel very awkward.
Next is Icebreaker. Definition: a short sentence or question to start a conversation. Example: talking about the weather is a classic icebreaker.
Our third word is common ground. Definition: shared interests or situations between two people. Example: we found common ground because we both love coffee.
Next is chatty. Definition: someone who likes to talk a lot in a friendly way. Example: the taxi driver was very chatty.
And finally, to connect. Definition: to form a good relationship with someone. Example: small talk helps us to connect with strangers.
Grammar focus. Tag questions. Now for the grammar. To be good at small talk, you need tag questions.
Tag questions turn a statement into a question. They invite the other person to agree with you. It keeps the ball rolling.
The structure is simple. If the sentence is positive, the tag is negative. Example: it is a nice day, isn't it?
And if the sentence is negative, the tag is positive. But we use that less in small talk. Let's focus on the positive ones. Example: this coffee is great, isn't it?
Or, you are new here, aren't you?
Using isn't it or aren't you at the end of a sentence makes you sound friendly. It shows you want to hear their opinion. Part 4. Keep the ball rolling.
So, Michael, we broke the ice. We used a tag question. But how do we keep talking?
Imagine the conversation is like a game of tennis. You hit the ball and they hit it back. You cannot just catch the ball and hold it.
I love that image. So if someone asks, how are you? Don't just say, good. That stops the game.
Exactly. That is a conversation killer. Instead, say, I'm good, thanks. I just finished a big project. How about you?
The magic question, how about you? It always hits the ball back.
It does. And you should also ask follow-up questions. If they say, I went to the park, ask, oh, which park? Or, was it crowded?
Showing interest is the best way to be interesting. People love to talk about themselves.
They really do. So listen, smile, and ask one more question. That is the secret.
Conclusion. We have covered so much today. We learned that small talk is a bridge to connection.
We learned the safe topics, weather, food, and situation. And we learned to avoid being awkward by using tag questions like, isn't it?
Now, we have a challenge for you. Our 15-minute action plan. Today, I want you to use an icebreaker with one person.
It could be a cashier, a neighbor, or a colleague. Just say one sentence about the weather or the food. Just one sentence.
You can do it. And before you go, please answer our question in the comments.
What is your favorite safe topic for small talk in your country? Is it the weather, food, or something else? Let us know below. Thank you for joining us for episode 1.
Keep practicing and see you next time on the English Global Podcast.